So we start out today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Oh, he also gave her some beautiful bottleneck bangs. Gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have another bob haircut that also features some bangs. So the stylist is kind of adding some height at the top for some volume. And then we move on to the next style. This one also features bangs. And if you guys didn't already know, you can tell by this video that bangs are very trendy at the moment. And we're seeing many different variations. Here we have the look with a pixie cut. And these particular bangs end just above the brow. Beautiful mushroom pixie shape. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles spotted in today's video, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we see someone who has a short faded cut. The stylist is kind of trimming the hair with this comb and scissors. And she is rocking another hot hair trend that we're seeing, and that is of course the platinum hair color. This is absolutely radiant. Beautifully done. Love this color and cut combination. So then we move on to the next transformation. It looks like they have a grown out pixie and they're back at the salon for a cut refresh. And the stylist cuts the hair into more of a pixie shape. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone who has a bob haircut. Looks like she's going to be getting some color, some cut. So the stylist does cut the hair a little bit shorter, not too much. And it looks like the stylist is doing a nice traditional bob haircut for this one. Beautiful blunt ends, taking the look even shorter. Oh, very nice. Simple, chic, stylish bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.